welcome back to basketballer underscore 15. Today is Saturday, and you know what that means? Admin abuse time. And it is currently 11 o'clock right now. But Sammy, I was just playing casually, and then Sammy said to everybody, "Early bird?" ? And then he spawned a bunch of these lucky blocks. He also spawned a Brain Rot God one, as you can see in the chat. A Brain Rot God lucky block has spawned. But I didn't get that because Brain Rot Gods aren't that good. But yeah. We're going to be opening up these lucky blocks, and I'll also be recording the event. But first, let's spin this yin and yang wheel to get 1.1 now. Okay, and now let's open up these lucky blocks. We're going to start from the worst to best. Oh, they're already kind of in order. So, Taco lucky block. Let's see. What do we get? Okay, that's not that good, but let's see the admin lucky block. Come on, 6767. Ugh. Okay, Los Bombonitos. It's fine. I'll take it. Because that's just rebirthed, and I don't have that much good stuff, so. Now let's put Los admin lucky blocks. Please do something good. Oh, we almost got the Los 6-7, but we didn't, so. Let's put some stuff into the witch views. Let's put these Los Bombaditos. And we have luck in here, so that's good. And this Los Bombaditos. And drop. Okay, let's see what we can get now. Okay. Now let's put this cat pizza one. Floating alien. I don't even know what it is. Okay, still same thing. And now, how about... Okay, let's put this one in. And boom. Okay. Now, we'll do this. And Sammy said he'd skip the fuse for all of us, but I don't know if it's skipping. Okay. Happy on that, please. I don't have a lot of Robux now, but okay. Let's just collect. Alright. Now let's just wait for the event, I guess. It's 11:03 currently. Oh, and also I just realized, so what can I get now? What else is good that I can get? Oh yeah, I have the heart balloon and the magnet. Let's get the heart balloon and see what that does. What does the heart balloon do? Let's see. Whoa. That's cool. And now it's with the magnets. Auto buy. Let's put it there. Oh. So it's basically like a gravity coil, I guess, the heart balloon. I don't know. Alright, well that's cool. Okay. Yeah, so that was just what I wanted to check out. I'll see you guys in the next video in just a little bit. And, yep, see you guys, bye.